What's up, guys? Welcome to the output. This is Sensei Bong once again. Welcome to our new tutorial video. So we're gonna do a subscribe button just like on your screen right now. So if you want to know how to make that, stay tuned and I'll show you how. So here we are, guys, on our Wondershare Filmora video editing software. So first things first, we're gonna go to our titles here. So there's a bunch of lower thirds that you can choose. So let's just use the default lower third, put it on our second layer. Then after that, double click and click advance. So we did that so that we can go to the advance, and then after that we can just delete that text, and let's click the add shape. On add shape, there's a lot of options here, so we'll just use the rectangle and just drag it to the lower left here. And in order for us to change the text, just double click or highlight and then type subscribe or which word that you want, or you can also type here on the input text which one is easier for you. So let's use the input text subscribe. And then after that, if you go down here, you can see the text fill. There's a text fill here. You can use the gradient fill or image fill. If you have an image, we'll just use the text fill. Then we can change the color of the font. Let's go to more. You can choose which color you like the green. Okay, and it's color green, but we're gonna do the red one. So we have here a custom colors red already. So in order for us to choose a different color, like for example the blue, just select the blank box here and then press OK. Oops. And then press OK. Add custom colors. Red, add custom colors. Blue, add custom colors. Green, add custom colors. Yellow, add custom colors. What else? Pink, add custom colors. So you can add lots of colors there. So we're just gonna use the red and then click OK. You can change the opacity, so we'll go for 100. You can add the blur. Let's say we can add a little bit of blur around 2. You can change it, add the text border. So as you can see, there's a little bit of black border on our font, on our text. So later on we're gonna have some issue if we're gonna use the black one there, so just use a different color aside from black. So let's go with white. That's not white. Let's go with white. Okay, there you go. Then you can add, so you can add some size on your text border. So we'll do probably 10. That should be good. And then after that, the text shadow, if you want to add some shadow like this, but we're not gonna use some shadow. And the shape fill, we can change the color of the shape. Color fill, gradient fill. Let's do a color fill. What colors do you want, guys? We'll do the blue. I like the blue one, but let's choose that for now. And then we can do the shape border. If you want to add some color on the border, like the size of it, as you can see, let's do the white. 10K. Alright, so we're done with our subscribe button right here. Okay, we can also change the font. You can change lots of fonts here that you want, if you want to change it and the size. So we're good on that, or maybe we're just gonna make it 45 right there. And then if you want to make it bold, I think bold is better. Align to right, align to left. Let's just put it in the middle. Okay, and then let's see. So we're missing some of animation here. So what we're gonna do is to add animation, string blur, typewriter. We can do the typewriter, but I think random is let's choose random. I like the random or typewriter. So just comment on the comment what kind of animation you like. Let's do the random. We'll choose the random, and then after that, there you go. As you can see here, we have our animation tab here. If you move this little tab here, it will change the animation speed, the intro, and it stays, and then boom, all gone. So I like that. So, and after that, you can save as custom subs. Let's do a subs, and then press OK, and then we can see that on our custom here. And if we go here in custom, so here is the custom that we did. There you go. Subscribe. Boom, how cool is that? Then let's go drop it down to our timeline number 2, and then let's try it again. Boom, how cool is that? So one thing we're missing is some effects on that. Oh, as you can see, we already have the effects that we needed. So let's try VCR distortion and then drag it into our text, and let's see what happened. Boom, how cool is that? Okay, so in order for us to edit the effects, so it's a little bit too hard on our effects. Let's do a 40 maybe. Let's play. That should be good. I like that. Okay, so one thing we can do is we can add another text. Just copy, Control C, or right click, Control C, and in the end of this timestamp you need to Control V, and then after that you can change the text. It says here subscribe. You can type here like, and then press OK, and then play it. That's good. And we can add another one more. Let's do the share, or you can do a highlight here, but there you go. But for me it's easier to type in here. Okay, so all you need to do is to drag this VCR distortion all the way here, and let's see. Boom, how cool is that? Like and share. Perfect. Okay, all you have to do is to export that one. Then after that, we're gonna drag it on our video. So I hope guys you like this tutorial. So for more tutorial, just stay tuned on my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're just starting out, so just please help me guys. So just drag this one and it's on here, and then let's try this unboxing. Okay, so since the text is on the top, you will not see the unboxing video. So what we can do here is double click the text and click the chroma key. Since we're using a black background, we can choose this color picker and choose the black, and then there you go, press OK. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, and then all you have to do is export it, and then you're good to go. So I like it to move it here after the intro. There you go guys. So I hope you like this tutorial, and please like, share, and subscribe. So again, thank you for watching the video. This is Sensei Bong once again. Have a good one. Bye.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please okay, thank you.